Let's picture a company like MTN. Yes, the MTN that you know, the same MTN that you buy data from and you also buy card to make calls. Do you know that as of January 2025, it was sold at 250 naira per share? Guess what? As of today, MTN shares is now 460 naira per share. You know Stanbic IBTC Bank, your regular bank that you go there to save money and transact business. As of January 2025, guess what? It was sold at 71 naira per share. Now, let me shock you. It is now 111 naira 10 kobo. Yes, that sounds amazing, right? And I know in your mind, you're wondering, I'm hearing all these companies like Prisco, Okomo Oil, MTN, Prisco, GTCO, and you are wondering, what is all this noise about? How did they go about and people are making money? Don't worry, I got you. And that is why this video is for you. Just stick around to the end so that you can understand it and follow the step by step I'm going to go with it. If you're just seeing this channel for the very first time, I want to say a very big thank you for stopping by. And please do subscribe, like, and share this video. And for you that have been coming to this channel, I want to say a very, very big thank you for always stopping by. I know in your heart now that you'll be wondering, how do you go about all this? Like I said, I'm going to walk you step by step and I'm going to explain how to go about it. Buying a share in a company is like you having a piece part of that company. And this takes place in the Nigerian Stock Exchange market. It is now known as Nigerian Exchange Group, NGX. This is where shares are being bought or sold. And it's being done through the stockbrokers, or you can also use your app. Nigerian Exchange Commission have a list of authorized, licensed shareholders that does this on behalf of you and I as an investor. But before I go in, let me explain the benefits you enjoy as being an investor in an organization. The moment you buy a share in an organization or a company, it means that as you buying that share, you own a piece of that company. Another advantage is that you are entitled to their profit. Any profit they have made in that year, you have a part that is being given to you known as dividend. Some companies pay them twice, they pay their dividend twice to their investors. Some pay once in a year, and some even pay 3 times in a year. Then another advantage you get is that this is what we call share appreciation. For instance, now you bought a particular share for 2 naira. In a couple of months, the price of the share rose to 5 naira. You have made a gain of 3 naira. So the 3 naira multiply the number of shares that you bought, it makes you wealthier. That means there's growth. You are no longer the same as you bought the shares. Another advantage is that there is what they call liquidity. That means anytime you want to sell, you can easily go to the exchange and sell your shares. So with all this being said, let's go straight to how you can set up an account as an investor to buy shares. KYC, which is your know your customer, that the stockbroker is the stockbroker is expected of you to provide before you can start. Like I said earlier, go through a licensed stockbroker. Number one, are they being licensed by Securities and Exchange Commission, that's SEC? Is the exchange group, are they well known? You should establish that. Or you can go through some apps like Bamboo or Chaka. You can easily set it up on your phone. And if you are buying any shares, note this thing, please. Number one, is this company, have they been paying dividend over the past 5 to 10 years to their shareholders? Another thing is that, is there growth in capital appreciation over that particular company shares you want to go for? So with that being said, this is how you can set it up. These documents are the documents you're going to provide, like I said, for your KYC. Number one is your BVN. Your BVN is needed for easy identification. Number two, you need your regular and operating bank, your bank account that is operating, so that anytime you have dividends, it can be paid into it. And when you're ready to sell your shares, you can easily have an account that the money will be paid into. Another document you'll be needing is your utility bill. This can be in the form of your NEPA bill, your water bill, just to be able to align your address, your home address, with your utility bill. They also need your signature. This is easy. You can easily get a piece of paper, put your signature on it and scan it, and voila, you are done with that. You also be needing your passport photograph. You just take a selfie, upload, and you are done with that. Then they might need your NIN, will be needed as well for easy identification. When you get all this and you provided it with your stockbroker, they will now give you two valid numbers that's very important to you as an investor. Number one is CHN, your clearing house number. This is like your bank account number. But in this case is for your stock. You're using this for your stock, so I can easily identify you to the stock you have bought. Then number two is your CSC, your clearing house security system number. This is your account is an identification that you bought a particular shares from a particular broker. When this one is being done, the next step is for you to decide which bank, which company you will be investing in. You buy the shares, and once that is done, you have become an investor in that particular organization. So I hope this video has added value to you. It's helpful. So please share with somebody that thinks that needs it. And I will see you at the top. See you in my next video.